This is day 2 of making 30 granny squares for 30 days, and today we'll be making this granny square called the season of daisy square. For this granny square, we'll be needing 4 different shades of yarn, any hook of your choice, and a cutter. I don't know how you do your magic circle, but for me it is a chain 4, slip into the first chain magic circle. So for row 1 you start with a magic circle. After your magic circle, you make 6 half double crochets in the magic circle you just made, and you slip stitch into the first half double crochet. For row 2, you need to change the color of your yarn. You slip stitch into any half double crochet in row 1, then you chain 11 and slip stitch back into the same half double crochet. Then you chain 11 again and slip stitch into the next half double crochet. After that, you need to chain 11 again and slip stitch into the same half double crochet you just slip stitch into. You repeat this process of chain 11, slip stitch in the same half double crochet, and chain 11 and slip stitch into the next half double crochet until you have 12 petals in total. So each half double crochet is going to have 2 slip stitches. The first one, then you chain 11, then the next one before you chain 11 and move to the next half double crochet. You will end this row with a chain 11 and slip stitch into the first half double crochet you have. So in total you should have 12 petals. For row 3, here we are connecting the petals that we just made in row 2. You will need to pick any of the petals, any of the 12 petals. On the 6th chain of the chain 11 we did, we make a starting chain of 2, which is going to represent our single crochet. Then you chain 3, that is going to be our first chain space. Then you pick the next petal, make a single crochet, chain 3, the next petal, make a single crochet, chain 3, and you keep repeating this until you catch all your petals. Ensure you pick the 6th chain for each petals on row 3. So for the last petal, you are going to make a single crochet, chain 3, then you slip stitch into the first single crochet you did, which is the first 2 chains you made. For row 4, this is where we'll be forming our square. In the first chain 3 space that we have in row 3, you are going to make 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. That is going to be our first corner space. In the next chain 3 space, you are going to make 3 double crochets. Then in the next one, you make another 3 double crochets. So that means you have 2 3 double crochets cluster. After that, you are going to make another corner space, which is the 3 double crochets, chain 2 3 double crochets. You keep repeating this process until you get to the end and you form your square. You have 4 corner space and your square is already formed. Slip stitch into the first 3 double crochets you made on this row, then you move to the row 5. For row 5, we are changing the color and we are going to start from the corner space of row 4. So in the corner space, you are going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet like you will do for your normal granny square. Then in the next two clusters that you have, in between the next two clusters that you have, you make 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3 until you get to another corner space. So once you get to the next corner space, you are going to create another 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in that corner space. Then you keep repeating this like your normal granny square. You slip stitch into the first 3 double crochet that you have. Then for row 6, you are going to repeat exactly the same thing you did in row 5. Thank you for watching up to this point, and here you have your season of daisies granny square. Kindly like and share and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this tutorial. I'll be dropping another tutorial tomorrow on another granny square. Thank you.